guys, JD the therapist here, and I was given this product to review. This shower bench is a heavy-duty shower bench that can be used for individuals to take a break while they're in the shower, improving safety so you can bathe while sitting down. Additionally, this has a spot on the side that you can put the long-handled shower hose onto, so that way it can rest right there instead of being way out of reach. We have a padded seat as well that's going to go onto the bench. I like that there are some drain holes here, so we're going to remove these first. And these are just there to protect the bench. Then we're going to put the tubes or the legs right inside, and it's just going to pop right inside. Each one is numbered. Now, this bench could be used just like this if you really wanted to. This is going to give you a stable surface so that way you can sit down on it. This is going to have all the drain holes so that all the water can come out. And then this seat cushion can go right on top, and it will align and give you some extra cushion or padding. But we're going to add on the additional piece. So next we're going to put together the back of the seat. And these just align just like this. Back of the chair right here, just like so. And then you have your two armrests. They're just going to go right onto the side. And these also have those pegs as well that you will just press and then slide right in place. Same thing for the other side. You'll just push it in, press, lock it right in place. Next, we'll put down the cushion. Now this can go this way or this way because the holes are all the same. But the adhesive, and then we'll just align this right on the bench. So now this is the shower bench in a nutshell. You've got all your labels here. It was extremely easy to put together. You literally just pop everything in with the little pegs here, and then you can adjust this to whatever height that you want. And what you'll do is just push on the peg, pop it up to whatever height. We want everything all at number 5. We'll see that it'll bring me up a lot higher than if it was down at the lower level. Now this is going to be easier for me because my knees are going to be a little bit more bent. I can push up with the arms and then sit back down. So this does have non-slip feet right here on the bottom. These feet can just come right off if you wanted to. So you can take them off and you can go ahead and replace them if you need to, because over time things just break down. But with these feet, they are removable, so you can go ahead and just put new ones on if you need to. Sits right here in the shower. When you go ahead and sit down, you can go ahead and sit. Use these to guide yourself down and go ahead and push up. I really like the fact that you have the comfortable grips here and the padding on the seat. You've got the back here to give you support so you can sit back in the shower. It's wider than most shower seats, so that's great. So this is going to allow for individuals that are a little bit wider to use. This also can be used with the long-handled shower hose here. This shower hose can actually rest in this spot right here. If you had a longer hose for this long-handled shower hose head, you could actually put this right onto the shower bench, so that way you don't have to worry about this hanging down or being all the way up top. It would be right handy right here for you. I really like this shower chair a lot. It's really advantageous for individuals that are either recovering from surgery, are elderly, or just need the ability to sit down in the shower to take a break. This can help to reduce the potential risk of falling in the shower just by having a place to sit down. You have these comfortable handles here. I like the fact that you have the back and the adjustable legs right here on the bottom that are adjustable to the height of the individual that is using this. This also gives more reinforcement right here by the bars going across from one side to the other. So it's more sturdier than some other benches that don't have this X formation on the bottom. So I would definitely recommend it. This is a great shower bench, and I would say go ahead and check this out.